Sihanoukville is rapidly transforming, and I'm thrilled to share an update that will restore your confidence in this incredible Cambodian destination. For those who've heard about ghost buildings and unfinished projects, prepare to see a city on the rise. From Phnom Penh to Sihanoukville, a journey of progress. Getting to Sihanoukville has never been easier. What used to be a stressful 5-hour journey on normal roads is now a smooth and scenic ride. Thanks to the new expressway, you can reach Sihanoukville from Phnom Penh in just 1.5 to 2 hours. While there's a toll fee of around $14, the safety and efficiency it offers are well worth it, allowing you to enjoy the beautiful views along the way. As a Cambodian, even I'm amazed at how much this infrastructure development has changed the travel experience. The resurgence of Sihanoukville, a city reborn. Upon arrival, you'll immediately notice the significant changes. Yes, there are still unfinished projects, but the landscape is dramatically different from a few years ago when the city felt abandoned. The Sihanoukville government has embarked on an ambitious master plan, prioritizing this city even above Phnom Penh in terms of development focus. This plan aims to attract major investors and encourage developers to resume construction on over 300 previously stalled buildings. I'm excited to share that construction has already restarted on over 100 buildings. When you visit now, you'll witness a flurry of activity, with numerous construction sites coming back to life. While it will take time for the city to reach its full potential, the progress is undeniable. Sihanoukville is no longer dead. It's a dynamic hub of development, moving towards becoming a smart, green city. The government's vision is clear. Sihanoukville is set to become Cambodia's largest economic and trading city, leveraging its strategic port. This dedicated effort ensures a promising future for the city, attracting both tourists and investors. We're also eagerly anticipating a new international airport with 3 lanes, designed to accommodate even more tourists, alongside the recent opening of luxury hotels like Queenco Hotel, where I've personally enjoyed a comfortable stay. The government is committed to ensuring developers complete their projects and adhere to new regulations, requiring sufficient funds upfront to guarantee completion. This proactive approach is a testament to their dedication to bringing Sihanoukville fully back to life and restoring its beauty. Discovering Sihanoukville's hidden gems, the peaceful south side. While the northern part of the city is currently bustling with ongoing development, I highly recommend exploring the south side of Sihanoukville. This area still retains the charming, relaxed vibe of the old Sihanoukville town. My personal favorite is Ota's Beach. Unlike the more crowded Ophutil Beach, Ota's offers a more peaceful and less developed experience, with fewer large buildings and casinos. It's the perfect spot to unwind and soak in the natural beauty. As you drive further south, you'll discover even calmer and more stunning beaches like Bay of Light and Ariam Beach. Beyond tourism, the south side is also seeing exciting new developments, with promising investment opportunities like one-bedroom units starting from $40,000. This growth, combined with the government's serious commitment to transforming Sihanoukville into a major economic zone and trading city, signifies that Cambodia's future is here now. We look forward to welcoming more investors and tourists to witness this incredible transformation firsthand. Thank you for watching, and I hope this update gives you great confidence in Sihanoukville.